What's up guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple yard signs, and they can be easily made with vinyl. Okay, for this project I'm going to use the Oracle 651 vinyl as usual, and I have two different sizes. I got one that's 15 inch and we got the 24 inch. And let me show you the yard signs that I'll be using. Again, they're 24 by 18. All you got to do, just add the vinyl on the yard signs. That's what we're going to do. Pretty simple design. I'm gonna start cutting the vinyl, and I'm gonna start with the black color, and this is what I'm gonna do before I actually cut it. Since I'm gonna make 4 yard signs, but I gotta make sure that I print enough for the 2 sides. I need to make 8 copies. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send some of the vinyl to the front and send to the front, and we'll see. Okay, that's good. All right, we got registration marks. We're gonna need them for the second color. We got the vinyl ready. Time to put the tape on top of the vinyl. And this is how we do it. We got the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75 as our transferring tape. All right, we got the vinyls ready. Now we're gonna transfer them to the yard sign. And we took the measurements, and we're gonna use a piece of tape. We're gonna do dry application, okay, just like that. Nice and easy. There's not really science for this, you know, like just gotta put the vinyl on it just like you would with stickers, car stickers. Just do it carefully. Don't want to peel the letters off. And we got the second color. I'm gonna cut a piece of paper. I can see it. Oh. And then we're gonna line one side, and then we'll do the other side. I'm gonna do this side first. Perfect. Okay, just like that. Cool, just like that. And then we'll use the same tape. Repeat the same process. See, this is why you should consider selling yard signs. Spring is just around the corner, and you can make good money offering this product. Remember that you can make car magnets, car stickers, banners. All right guys, we just got done with the yard signs. We made 4 of them. It didn't take that long for us to make them. There are so many things that you can make with a vinyl cutter. and vinyl. So you should definitely consider starting this type of business, and of course subscribing to our channel, and give us a like, and we'll see you guys until the next time. See you later.